Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by checking essential metrics: viewer count, gifts, and any pinned comments you'll want to keep. Once done, decide if you'll save the live replay and trim it. This preserves content and analytics. Tell your audience you're closing soon with a 30 to 60-second heads up. This prevents abrupt drops and lets people send last messages or gifts. Make sure to thank top contributors aloud so they feel acknowledged, then move to the in-app end controls. Next, use TikTok's in-app controls to finish the stream cleanly. Tap the end or three-dot menu in the corner and follow prompts. Choose whether to save, delete, or share the replay and confirm any video quality options. While ending, disable chat or remove disruptive users to avoid post-live fallout. Once you select end, wait for the confirmation screen so the server finalizes your video. This prevents corrupted saves. After the process completes, finally, verify the saved replay appears under Profile Live Saved and confirm length and audio sync. This ensures viewers can rewatch. If the save failed, export your local recording or upload a backup within 24 hours to preserve content and earnings. If anything goes wrong, like a missing file or upload error, restart the app, clear cache, and force close before retrying. These steps resolve most glitches by resetting temporary data and reconnecting to TikTok servers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.